Over 35 years after Rubaiya Saeed's kidnap, the CBI has announced the arrest of Shafat Ahmed Shanglu. In a press release on Monday, the central agency claimed that it had taken Shanglu into custody in the case. The CBI called Shanglu an absconder and added that there was a reward of 10 lakh rupees against him. It claimed that Shanglu had conspired with JKLF founder Yasin Malik to abduct Rubaiya Saeed, the daughter of then Home Minister Mufti Mohammad Saeed. On Tuesday, the CBI produced Shanglu in a court in Jammu, which released him, rejecting that agency's demand for custody. Shanglu's lawyer claims that the suspect was already cleared with investigators and he was never absconding.
चार्जशीट इस केस में दायर हुई है, उसमें इनका नाम है?
नाम तो है, लेकिन वो मतलब नाम से क्या होता है कि उसका नाम तो था उसमें, चार्जशीट में ओब्वियसली उसका नाम था, लेकिन आयोग ने उसका बेनिफिट दिया था कि उनके खिलाफ कोई शहादत मौसूल नहीं हुई थी ड्यूरिंग इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफ द केस. दैट इज द रीजन ही हैज बीन सेट फ्री. सीबीआई का ये दावा था कि द पर्सन हु हैज बीन सेट फ्री बाय दिस ऑनरेबल कोर्ट कि ये एब्सकॉन्ड कर रहा था कोई 30-35 साल से, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
Coming out of the courtroom, Shanglu reiterated that he was not on the run.
मुझे अरेस्ट नहीं किया, मैं खुद गया उनके पास.
कहाँ पर?
श्रीनगर में.
उन्होंने बुलाया?
मुझे निशात थाने से फोन आया और मैं गया और उन्होंने कहा कोई केस है, मैं उनके साथ कोऑपरेट किया.
सीबीआई का दावा है 35 साल से एब्सकॉन्डिंग.
नहीं, मैं कहाँ पर. आई वाज वेरी मच हियर.
यासिर मलिक को जानते हैं आप?
मैं नहीं जानता हूँ.
1989 में जब किडनैपिंग हुई थी तब आप क्या करते थे?
तब मैं बिजनेस करता था. मेरा फुटवेयर का बिजनेस था, मेरा कारपेट का बिजनेस था.
Shanglu was at the passport office in Srinagar for passport renewal on Monday when he got a call from the police station in Nishat. The police handed him over to the CBI team when he reached there.
It's been no less than an emotional roller coaster for the Shanglu family. Last 24 hours, things have changed quite, in fact, at a drastic rate. In fact, I am right now outside one of his shops. This is a shop that is owned by Shafat Ahmed Shanglu. Though the shop remains shut, in fact has been shut for quite some time now, since he's into a travel business and frequently travels to Dubai, if family is to be believed. He was picked up by the CBI from a police station Nishat.
Rubaiya Saeed, daughter of Mufti Saeed, was kidnapped in 1989. The VP Singh government had released 5 terrorists from jail to secure Rubaiya's release. JKLF chief Yasin Malik, who was behind the abduction, is currently in jail. The arrest and immediate release of Shafat Ahmed Shanglu is an embarrassment for the CBI, which seems to have overlooked the earlier clean chit given to the Kashmiri businessman.